Choosing the right shower head might seem like a small detail, but it can completely transform your shower experience. In this video, I'll guide you through the most important factors to consider when selecting the best one for your bathroom. Types of shower heads. Fixed shower heads. The most basic and commonly used option, fixed shower heads are mounted directly on the wall. They are ideal for smaller bathrooms and offer a variety of spray patterns for a customizable experience. Cost-effective and easy to use, these models are perfect for those seeking simplicity without compromising on comfort. Handheld shower heads. Handheld shower heads provide incredible flexibility. Whether you need to rinse your hair, clean hard-to-reach areas, or wash pets, a handheld head gives you total control. Perfect for families or anyone with mobility issues, these heads are versatile and practical for a range of daily tasks. Rain shower heads. Rain shower heads are large and mounted overhead, offering a soothing, spa-like experience that simulates the feeling of standing under gentle rainfall. While they are typically suited for larger bathrooms, their high-end design adds an upscale, luxurious touch that transforms your shower into a peaceful retreat. Dual shower heads. For those with varying preferences, dual shower heads combine a fixed and handheld option, providing the flexibility of a handheld with the luxury of a stationary shower. Ideal for families or couples, they balance personalization with comfort for a versatile showering experience. Water pressure and efficient. Understanding water pressure. Water pressure is key to the shower's performance, affecting both the intensity and effectiveness of the water flow. If you have low water pressure, consider high-pressure models that optimize the flow for a stronger, more satisfying shower. These heads maximize your shower experience, even in homes with weaker water supply. Water efficiency. With growing concerns over water conservation, selecting a water-efficient shower head is important. Look for WaterSense certified models which use at least 20% less water than standard ones without sacrificing performance. These heads use about 1.8 gallons per minute, GPM, compared to the standard 2.5 GPM, making them a smart choice for eco-conscious buyers who want to lower their water bill. Material and finish. Material durability. Shower heads come in various materials, but brass and stainless steel are the most durable option. These materials resist corrosion and maintain their shine over time, making them excellent choices for long-lasting performance. While plastic models are cheaper, they may not be as durable or resistant to wear and tear. Finish options. Choose a finish that matches your bathroom style. Chrome is sleek and shiny, ideal for modern settings, while brushed nickel offers a timeless, subtle elegance. Matte black finishes provide a bold, contemporary look that stands out. Consider how the finish complements the overall aesthetic of your bathroom for a cohesive design. Installation and maintenance. Ease of installation. Many shower heads, especially fixed and handheld types, are easy to install yourself with minimal tools. However, more complex options like rain shower heads may require professional installation due to the ceiling mounting and additional plumbing. For most models, though, installation is quick and hassle-free. Maintenance. Keeping your shower head in good condition is simple. Regular cleaning prevents mineral buildup and maintains water pressure. Some models come with self-cleaning nozzles, making maintenance even easier. For handheld heads, check for clogs or blockages to ensure smooth operation and optimal performance. Budget and final considerations. Cost range. Shower heads range significantly in price. Basic plastic models can be found for as low as $20, while stainless steel options typically cost between $50 and $150. High-end rain shower systems can exceed $200, and premium models with advanced features may even reach $500 or more. Value for money. While high-end models may cost more upfront, they offer added features like adjustable spray settings, temperature control, and air drying technology, which enhance your shower experience. Consider the long-term value of a shower head that offers both luxury and durability. Spending a bit more can give you the comfort and features that make every shower more enjoyable. Choosing the right shower head is about balancing your preferences, budget, and bathroom needs. With so many options available, the right choice will make your shower more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable. Happy showering!